problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls gon' holler.
Wasn't what? Shebang. Hey. All right. I don't even know how to start this off, but it is Saturday right now. Journey of being in this apartment is officially coming to a close. It's been nice. I won't lie to you. It's been nice since this is like, this kind of like the start of my life, I guess. But it's time to move on to bigger and better things and things that are more suited for me. So with that, today, I don't think I have a lot to do. I have a few things to do. And a few, though, I'm going to go to either like Home Depot or somewhere and get some boxes so I can start bagging and boxing all my stuff up for my move on Monday. Yeah, I'll make it started on that and then I'll catch y'all in a minute. It's Sunday. Yes, I would say it's a busy day. Kind of a lot to do today. So today is packing up literally everything. I'm going to try to get most of it done before I get the U-Haul. I will see y'all probably once I get the U-Haul or sometime today. But I'll catch y'all in a minute. I kind of just realized that I have to fold all of these, all of my shirts. Didn't think it was gonna go that way. I thought I could just drop them all with the hanger in there and just roll with it, but it's sunset right now in Dallas. Well, where I'm at. And I'm gonna show you. Osmo probably doesn't do a good job of it. Let's see if I can zoom in. But like, it's amazing, right? And you can like faintly see the city skyline in the background. It's nice. And it kind of made me like, not like sad or anything, but it's like honestly like reflect on everything I've done and like what I've accomplished and everything I've like sort of kind of like been through over the years and just how like good my life is, right? Let me get one last beautiful look at the sunset as this chapter sort of kind of well, yeah, this chapter in my life is coming to a close and I'm embracing another one, right? So like the downtown high rise era of my life, if you would say, like it's coming up. Like literally, like the next time I see the sunset, it'll be downtown. I'll be downtown, right? I don't even know how to describe it. Not like a bittersweet moment, but it's like, you know, it's really coming. Like it's my dreams and everything I want out of life and that I'm working towards it is slowly but surely coming to fruition. Like it's becoming a reality. And it's crazy. Like the one thing I actually love about this apartment and this view, like I said, you might have been able to see the Dallas skyline in the distance. It's how I think about it. It's like it's always there. Like every time I look, like I do not close the blinds. My blinds stay open all the time. Everywhere in like these two windows, the main windows in this apartment, I will always see the Dallas skyline. So it's like literally my dream is always within my vision. You know, I want to live downtown, you know, I want to live in a high rise. And every time I come in here, like every time I come home and I'm sitting down on the couch or I'm in my room, I can see the skyline in the distance. So it's like my dreams are in the distance. They're I can see it. I just gotta get close to it. I just gotta put in the work to get closer to it. And that's kind of like how it is. And I love it, right? So like little reflection of the apartment, and like it's nice. It's a beautiful apartment. Like I'm not gonna lie, it's nice, but it's like I'm at the point and I'm in this version of me and in my life where I'm just, you know, I don't want to settle and I'm chasing what I want and I'm chasing what I want, chasing my dreams, and slowly but surely working to achieve what I want and everything I want out of life. Because it's like that's really like, what other way is there to live? Like, if you're not chasing your dreams, and like, what are you doing? You know, that's my like new mentality and how it's been over like really like in the past like 8 months. It's amazing, and I'm grateful that I can do something like this, and I can have this life. Like I'm very much grateful for it, you know, and I try not to take it for granted. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna finish eating and watch YouTube. I genuinely don't know how much more I'm gonna get done because my head is hurting. Like I still said, I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all again, but either I'll see you in a few. I mean, I'm gonna see you in a few, like literally a couple seconds. But it's like if I'm gonna move all this stuff or not. But I'll see y'all. stop.
Now all the girls gon' follow, all the fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky and bravado.
The fuck? Does it? What do you think of it? What do you think, bro?
The views are fire.
Bro, you can be in, you don't want to be in the video? I mean, you gonna. Nah, bro, you gonna be in the video regardless. Only little bit of makeup, just a tad bit better. You know they have their works. Well, it's like these little things that hopefully they can connect to this. I'm gonna be a desk. That's that. And then we put it like here, right? Or I'm gonna put it here somewhere down.
I'm uncomfortable in my skin. I'm uncomfortable with my ends. I'm uncomfortable with my friends. I'm uncomfortable with my drinking. I'm uncomfortable with my thinking. I'm uncomfortable with my waist. I'm uncomfortable in this space.
Bro, turned around and looked at me. What are we doing?
I'm uncomfortable with my heart. I'm uncomfortable with my thoughts. I'm uncomfortable with my feelings. And sadly, I'm uncomfortable with healing.
Back up.
Your boy is tired. Like, I look all kinds of rough right now, but as you can see behind me, we made it. We are here. Finally. In the new apartment. Look. Look at this. We did it. I appreciate you watching. If you made it this far in the video, oh my, see, I'm so out of it. I can't even talk. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, I can't wait for the content that's coming. I can't wait for it. Also, please heed my warning. Do not ever move like by yourself. I mean, if you have to, cool, but be careful. But if you have the option to pay movers to move, please do it. Do not do what I did. Just don't, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go rest. I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
I can't hold